In the gym, a beautiful girl walked by a boy who was in very good shape starting his workout. 70 kilo, that's crazy, she said. It's actually not that impressive, replied the boy. What? Questioned the girl with eyes wide open. It's not that impressive, said the boy again quietly. Yeah, it is, said the girl again. No, the boy shook his head and looked away. Well, to me it is. You know what they say? Asked the girl with a warm smile. What? Questioned the boy. They say comparison is the thief of joy. You compare yourself to others and you'll never be happy. The boy looked to the ground as he realized that these words hit him hard and tears welled up in his eyes. She realized that this big, strong man had little self-confidence and continued. So that's impressive weight. Who cares what other people lift? The boy looked up to the girl and said, but what if I'm not satisfied? The girl smiled softly and replied, well, I mean, you could push yourself, but you can't do negative self-talk. He realizes what she meant and it immediately comforted him. Let's go, hit that reps, she said with a smile and walked on. Both realized that you should never judge a book by its cover and that some nice words can be life-changing for everyone.